Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Is your Google Assistant acting up on your Android TV and leaving you frustrated? You're not alone, and we've got your back. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix the Google Assistant problem in Android TV, ensuring you get back to seamless voice commands and voice-activated searches in no time. Google Assistant can be an invaluable feature on your Android TV, enabling personalized recommendations, hands-free controls, and much more. However, when things go wrong, it can disrupt your viewing experience. Let's delve into how you can troubleshoot and resolve these issues effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, your Google Assistant is heavily reliant on a stable internet connection. Begin by ensuring that your Android TV is connected to Wi-Fi and the network is functioning properly. Navigate to your TV's network settings and confirm that you're connected to the correct network. Consider resetting your router and see if the connection improves. A reliable connection is crucial for Google Assistant to function smoothly. Step 2. Restart your Android TV. A simple restart can often resolve a plethora of technical glitches. To restart your TV, press and hold the power button on your remote until the TV powers off. Alternatively, you can unplug your TV from the power outlet, wait for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This can refresh the system and potentially fix any minor software hiccups affecting Google Assistant. Step 3. Update software and apps. Outdated software or apps can lead to compatibility issues. Check for any available updates for your Android TV. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, About, System Update to see if any software updates are awaiting installation. Additionally, ensure that your Google Assistant and Google app are up to date by visiting the Google Play Store. Keeping everything updated ensures that you have the latest fixes and improvements. Step 4. Check microphone access. If Google Assistant doesn't respond to your commands, the microphone may not be enabled for the remote or the TV might not be picking up your voice correctly. Make sure that the microphone on your remote is activated and that there are no obstructions. In your TV settings, verify microphone permissions under Apps, Google, Permissions, and toggle the microphone access if necessary. Step 5. Clear cache and data. Clearing cache and data can help if the issue persists. Navigate to Settings, Apps, find Google and Google Assistant, and clear their cache and data. This process can alleviate any corrupted data that might be causing the issue. Remember, clearing data may log you out of accounts, so have your credentials handy just in case. Step 6. Reconfigure your Google account. Sometimes reconfiguring your Google account can solve the problem. Head to Settings, Accounts and Sign In, and remove your current account. Afterward, re-add the account by following the on-screen instruction. This action can refresh the account settings and resolve any underlying issues. And there you have it. 6 steps on how to fix the Google Assistant problem in Android TV. From checking your internet connection to reconfiguring your Google account, these straightforward solutions should have your Assistant back up and running smoothly. Remember, technology is not without its quirks, but with a little patience and troubleshooting, you can overcome these hurdles. Enjoy your enhanced TV experience with Google Assistant, and thanks for tuning in.